How to use a PC disability insurance Sweden properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. If PC disability insurance in Sweden is designed to replace your income if illness or injury prevents you from working, many people make mistakes that reduce coverage or risk claim denial. The surprising truth is, not all conditions are automatically covered under your policy. A major mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. If PC offers coverage for either your own occupation or any occupation, choosing the wrong type can leave you underprotected if your disability affects only your current role. Ignoring the waiting period is another common error. This is the period before benefits start. Longer waiting periods lower premiums but leave you financially exposed. Shorter periods cost more but provide faster support. Align this with your savings and monthly expenses. Underestimating benefit amounts is another trap. Coverage should match your income, living costs, and financial obligations. Selecting too low a benefit may save money upfront, but can leave you vulnerable during a serious illness or injury. Skipping optional riders is also a mistake. If PC offers add-ons like partial disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options, foregoing these reduces flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. If PC requires full transparency during application and claims, misreporting or omitting details may delay or even deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, if PC Disability Insurance Sweden can provide strong, reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability, choose the right waiting period, set sufficient benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to safeguard your financial future.